Welcome to the channel. Here we tackle complex questions and break them down into simple step-by-step solution. Let's solve today's problems together.
For problems regarding the theorem of Pappus and Guildenus, we are given a silo which is 80 feet high and with a dome of radius 10 feet. So we are to determine the volume of this silo. So the second theorem of Pappus says that the volume is equals to the angle of revolution multiplied by the distance of the generating area centroid to the axis of revolution multiplied by the area of the generating plane. So our angle of revolution is equals to 2 pi, and let's take the center of the silo as our axis of revolution. So if we draw our generating plane, it would look like this. So we have a rectangle and a quarter circle. So let's call this as our R1 bar and R2 bar with area of A2 and our R1 bar with area of A1. So our A1 is equals to 10 times 80 and our A2 is equals to pi r squared over 4 and our R1 bar is equals to 1/2 of 10. Our R2 bar is equals to 4r divided by 3 pi. So let's use the formula V is equals to theta r bar A. So we have 2 pi multiplied by 1/2 of 10 multiplied by 10 times 80 plus 4 times 10 divided by 3 pi multiplied by pi times 10 squared divided by 4. So our volume is equals to 227.14 cubic feet. So this is the answer.